Change my gear. I'm coming to check on a condo that's being renovated before put it up for sale after the new year. So this is day 5. I'm gonna bring you inside right now. Day 5 at the North Bethesda condo renovation. See you inside. Hello and welcome to day 5 of this North Bethesda condo renovation. Mark Fitzpatrick here, and we are going to just show you briefly, because today's going to be a short little video. There's not a whole lot to update on because you don't really see as much right now in this stage. This partly also because my contractor Kiko, his back was massively hurting him. I'll get him on camera tomorrow maybe for day 6, sciatica. But recap what we're doing here. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, a block and a half from Whole Foods, couple blocks from the metro, and it has this amazing outdoor patio space, which you've seen if you've seen the other days, but I'm just giving you a little quick recap. If you're just catching up, you can catch those, pick up those other days and watch them another time. Inside here we have the kitchen, which we're not gonna change dramatically just because it's not going to be worth it, right? We may end up doing something with the cabinets and painting those color like white. I'm just not sure yet. We're going to change out all the appliances. We change out the flooring. We're going to get rid of the, I call it the pool table light, right? You put a pool table underneath there and you can play pool. But let's go to the bathrooms, and all the flooring throughout will be changed, including the bathrooms. And so this is the second bathroom, the shared, the hallway bathroom when you have guests over and things like that. We're not going to change the shower tub or anything in there, but we're giving the rest of it a good makeover. So it's still extensive, but the biggie is back here, and as you can see all this stuff here, we've got the backer board and some wood for the framing, which is what's going on right now. So I'm going to take you inside here, and we took out the old small little standing walk-in shower, which was just, you know, not very appealing. And this whole area over here was the soaking tub, which again most people aren't using anymore, so we're gonna flip it into a massive walk-in shower. Take this whole area right here and make that a nice walk-in shower. Still get in 2 sinks, and then we'll have the toilet over here. That is hanging in there, man, as a reminder that this is where the toilet is. You can't see the hole, it's covered right there. So funny, the little things that can put a smile on your face. So look for them every day. To me, that just kind of makes me laugh. You know, you see the power tool and you see the toilet paper right next to it. You know, one of the things that we showed this the other day as well, it would not even cross your mind right now if I didn't point it out and you didn't see the other video from I don't know, it might have been day 3, day 2. This was a lot narrower. In fact, you can see from the floor right there, this is where the wall was, because there was a wall right here. This, you can see the outline of it for the drywall. It would end right here. So this door was right here. It's very narrow, and it just didn't make it feel very comfortable in coming in. You can imagine walking in, and there is your entryway. It's just really tight. That was my executive decision, and Kiko, my contractor, who has a lot of experience, he agreed, and I just think it makes it feel a lot bigger. What was the trade-off? The trade-off was we lose that little wall. I think I'm going to come up with something for this spot here, just to have a little thin divider for the toilet. But you know, there's probably going to be 2 people living in here, and so it's not really a big factor. Versus feeling like you got to squeeze through here every time, and really, demographic wise, no, I shouldn't say that. Regardless, it feels wider and going through, and now a wheelchair, if necessary, could safely go through here. And I feel better about doing that. Since we were doing all this work, why not frame it, take a little extra time, and open up that doorway so that a wheelchair could get through there. That's it. It's my stance on that. I had worked with a couple people years and years ago that were in wheelchairs. Both of them were athletes. They got paralyzed. One was almost a quadriplegic. Can sympathize better in terms of being able to move and navigate around. So that was just something I decided to do. It didn't necessarily, it was a trade-off. It's nice to have the little divider for the toilet. I'm not going to deny that. But the value of it was, in my opinion, not worth it. And I still think I'm going to be able to come up with something that will be able to sort of separate that maybe. So that'll be later on once everything's done. I'll keep my eyes open for that. But that's it. So just going to start framing more for the large walk-in shower, which I think is going to be a really great appeal. And then we'll start moving towards finishing this off and getting the tiles and everything else in so it starts to look like something. Right now it doesn't look like anything. So that's it. Not a whole lot going on in day 5 in terms of what you visually see, but still a lot going on. And turn these lights off as we get out of here. And I think that the difference will be profound once we get to that point in the end and you can see the finished product with the master bathroom, the secondary bathroom, the flooring, everything else, the touch-ups, including the outside, which will be last. It's going to be winter when this goes on the market, but I'm going to do what I can outside of setting up a bonfire out there to draw attention to it. So, anyway, I wish I could. Maybe, never know. Maybe I'll get a special request, but I'm sure we'll get some candles or something out there to really jazz it up for the launch. But anyway, stay tuned, day 6. I hope you subscribe and so you get the updates on this, and look forward to seeing you then. Take care. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.